The arrival and revelation: the interstellar wanderer has returned. Brighter, clearer, and more hauntingly beautiful than anything humanity has ever seen. The James Webb Space Telescope, our golden eye in the infinite darkness, has turned once again toward the unknown. And what it has seen is challenging everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. For the very first time, human eyes have captured a sharp, breathtaking image of the mysterious Three-Eye Atlas. A silent traveler, drifting slowly, deliberately, beyond the edge of our solar system. 3 Atlas is only the third interstellar visitor ever discovered by humankind. It follows in the wake of Oumuamua and 2I, Borisov, yet it is unlike anything before. Unlike those faint, fleeting streaks across the sky, Webb has revealed this one in living, astonishing detail. This is no blur. No trick of light. No error in data. It is a portrait, vivid, intricate, alive with the memory of billions of years of cosmic journeys. For astronomers, this is more than a discovery. It is a bridge between stars. A message from the deep, lonely night of a world far from our own. We are not simply observing a rock passing silently through our sun's domain. We are staring directly at a fragment of another solar system. A world that was not born beneath our sky. The image reveals a glowing, irregular form. Its surface cracked and ancient, wrapped in a thin, ghostly halo of reflected light. A delicate whisper of the long journey it has taken through the void. Webb's infrared gaze pierces the cold, endless darkness, revealing ridges and fractures carved over eons of collisions and cosmic storms. Unlike the sleek, alien elegance of Oumuamua, 3I Atlas is raw, rough, ancient. A survivor forged by fire, ice, and time. Spectral readings reveal frozen carbon, silicates, and complex organic molecules. The very elements that forge worlds and perhaps carry the spark of life itself. It is proof that the seeds of creation do not belong to a single place. They drift silently through the galaxy, waiting for a world that can nurture them. When the first image appeared on screens in the control room, silence fell. For a heartbeat, no one spoke. Everyone understood instinctively. What they were seeing did not belong to our sun. It was a relic. A messenger from a distant star system, wandering now through ours. 3 Atlas has traveled for millions upon millions of years. Its lonely path carved carefully through endless darkness. Until, by cosmic chance, it drifted into Webb's gaze. Beneath its frozen crust, faint warmth lingers. Perhaps from ancient radioactive decay. Perhaps from the slow tumbling of its rotation. This is no lifeless stone. It is a living relic. Still evolving. Still whispering the story of its distant birth. It was first detected by the Atlas Survey in Hawaii, a system designed to find near-Earth asteroids. When its hyperbolic path was confirmed, astronomers realized with awe that it had come from beyond our solar system. Ground telescopes could only track its motion, its flickering brightness across the stars. But Webb, floating high above the haze of Earth's atmosphere, was needed to reveal its true face. High above our world, its golden mirrors captured the chemistry of this interstellar traveler. The data astonished everyone. Its composition hinted at a different kind of stellar nursery. A system born around a faint, distant red dwarf star. Humanity held at last a fragment of another solar system. A cosmic letter delivered across the Milky Way. Its reddish glow, painted by tholins and radiation-forged organics, mirrored distant comets. Molecules that are the precursors of life itself. This means the ingredients of biology may drift freely among the stars, waiting for the right planet to awaken them once more. Its uneven spin revealed a fragile cluster of rock and ice. A loose gathering of debris held together only by gravity, cold, and time. Webb even glimpsed faint jets of vapor escaping from its sunlit side. Delicate streams of gas formed a glowing halo around the wanderer. This gentle exhalation turned 3I Atlas into a comet-like phantom. A glowing specter against the eternal darkness of space. Each observation forced scientists to rethink how worlds are born, how they are destroyed, and how they are scattered across the stars. Cosmic significance and humanity's connection. The space between suns is not empty. It is alive with the dust of creation. A living record of the universe's endless work. When Webb's first image of 3 Atlas was transmitted to Earth, a hush swept across the scientific world. On the monitors appeared not just data, but a message. A whisper from the deep dark between suns. For centuries, astronomers had dreamed of a moment like this. To see a fragment of another solar system close enough to study. Close enough to understand. Now that dream had transformed into a photograph glowing with golden light. Scientists gathered around the screens. Their faces bathed in the reflection of a world that was not their own. The more they studied it, the more impossible it seemed. 3 Atlas was not a comet. Nor an asteroid. It was a survivor. A wanderer born beneath a foreign sun. Its chemical patterns told of a cooler light, a distant origin. Perhaps orbiting a fading red dwarf star. Ratios of carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen revealed a chemistry untouched by our sun's design. A story written in elements from another corner of the galaxy. Its surface, rough and scarred, bore frozen ridges, shattered stones, and icy plains. A testament to the passage of time itself. Webb's instruments detected streaks of dust fused by radiation, clinging stubbornly to its crust for millions of years. In false color, it glowed in deep bronze and crimson. The signature of tholins. Complex organics shaped by cosmic fire. The same molecules that once floated in our newborn solar nebula. Perhaps helping ignite life on early Earth. For astrobiologists, it was a revelation beyond words. If such molecules can cross the gulfs between stars, life's ingredients are not rare. They are cosmic nomads, carried from world to world on wanderers like 3I Atlas. Its motion is elegant yet broken. A slow, uneven tumble betraying its fragile patchwork nature. Not a solid planet, but a cluster of fragments held together by gravity, ice, and memory. Webb's cameras captured vapor jets breathing from its sunlit face. The distant sunlight, soft yet persistent, warmed its crust just enough to awaken ancient pockets of frozen gas. Each puff of vapor formed a thin, luminous veil. A halo shimmering like a spirit in the dark. Scientists were stunned. No one expected an interstellar visitor to remain active. To exhale life after drifting for millions of frozen years. Some warmth remains within its shell. A ghost of the star that once gave it light. That faint heartbeat transforms 3I Atlas from relic into living witness of cosmic history. The discovery changes everything we know about how worlds form, evolve, and scatter into the infinite night. If countless such wanderers exist, every solar system is sending fragments of itself outward. Tiny ambassadors of matter and memory across the galaxy. These fragments mingle and merge, seeding one another with dust, ice, and the chemistry of life. The galaxy becomes a vast living ecosystem, each star nurturing the next. Perhaps 3 Atlas was once part of a young planet, shattered and flung into darkness by violent gravitational storms. Now it sails through eternity, carrying the story of its lost home. Every atom within it has journeyed farther than imagination allows. Yet through Webb's golden mirrors, those atoms now share their light with us. Each photon, born around another star, traveled billions of kilometers through emptiness and silence until it met a machine crafted by human hands. It is a meeting of two civilizations. One natural, one created. The triumph of Webb's vision is not just scientific. It is a song of curiosity. A proof of what wonder can achieve. From the first stargazers on ancient Earth to a telescope beyond the moon, humanity has carried one dream: to look farther, to understand more. Even as 3I Atlas drifts away, its image endures. A quiet emblem of connection between stars and souls. Exploration never ends. It moves from one horizon to the next. In the vastness between suns, every wandering fragment carries a story. And in learning their stories, we learn our own. We are made of the same dust that drifts through galaxies. We are part of the same endless voyage. And somewhere, under another sky, someone, or something, may be looking back, wondering about us. As we now wonder about 3I Atlas.